Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to make a tassel like this for my new raffia bag. As you can see, I already have one tassel ready, and now we're going to make the second one. Before attaching the tassel to the drawstring, make sure to thread the cord through the holes in the bag first. Otherwise, it might not fit through with the tassel attached. So, let's get started. Here's what we need. The bag should be finished and the cord should be threaded. Of course, we'll need pre-cut raffia strands. The pattern specifies the exact quantity and length. We'll also need scissors for trimming and a crochet hook. I'll explain why a bit later. First, take the raffia strands in all the colors used for the bag. Flatten them out so they're wide, making the tassel fuller and more voluminous. Next, fold them carefully so the ends line up. They might differ slightly in length, but that's totally fine. Just align them as much as possible to find the exact center. Now, bring the ends together and fold the bundle in half to mark the midpoint. Make sure the strands don't shift, so the center stays aligned for all of them. Otherwise, it will turn out uneven. Now that we've found the center, take the drawstring and tie it right around the midpoint on the wrong side. Just tie a basic knot. Pull the knot tight. If you like, you can flatten the ends a bit so they match the rest of the tassel. Now, fold the tassel in half. Double-check that the fold is right in the middle before securing it. If it shifted slightly, no worries. You can gently adjust the strands to align the ends. Next, take another piece of raffia to wrap the top of the tassel. Form a small loop with it and place it on the tassel right where the top section ends. Take the longer end and start wrapping it tightly around the tassel. Make about 5 to 6 wraps, keeping a firm grip so it doesn't loosen. Now insert the long tail into the loop you created. Keep holding everything securely. Pull the short end to draw the loop under the wraps, forming a hidden knot underneath. Pull it tight. For the remaining long tail, I usually pull it down through the wrapped layers using a crochet hook and trim it at the bottom. You can use a smaller hook or the same one you used to crochet the bag. And there you go! Our tassel is complete. The only thing left to do is trim the ends with scissors so they're even. Just a quick trim. Now we have 2 matching tassels. If needed, slide the wrapped neck up slightly so both tassels look identical. Finally, take the finished bag and tie the drawstring into a bow or a knot to secure our pretty tassels. You can also flatten out these strands if you like. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to crochet this entire bag, the complete crochet pattern is available in my online shops. Have a great day and bye-bye!